Do you wanna build a capsule? Or take measurements of all this stuff? We've been sitting here for a while now, just playing Minecraft. We need to actually build it. We could gather lots of styrofoam and nuts and bolts and lots of duct tape. Do you want to build a capsule?
Enough. Just no Frozen parodies, okay?
Aww.
Anyway, today we'll go through how we built the Stratoballoon Capsule.
Well, really, Mom and I worked on the capsule. And Lucy helped too.
These are the components that we used. The Arduino, a battery pack, some heat warmers, a camera, aviator dash, of course, a practice capsule with the same internal dimensions, which we used to figure out where everything should go, and one tired Katherine. Not shown here is a crafts knife for the shell of the capsule. For the shell of the capsule, we started with one of these styrofoam boxes. Craziness happened on a regular occasion, so expect it to come through continually during the podcast. Okay, why were you allowed to use the file, and what's with the crazy?
Oh, you put me in charge of the capsule, so you have to deal with the craziness.
You're right. Let's just move on.
We actually had a ton of styrofoam, so finding building material wasn't too much of a problem. One of the first things we did was we positioned the camera, the battery pack for the instruments, and some heat warmers inside the capsule. And I had some fun photobombing.
Next, we had to cut out a hole for the camera.
Dun, dun, dun!
Was that really necessary?
Yes. Yes, it was. Anyway, we can now fit the camera nicely into the hole and put some heat warmers around it. And apparently Lucy was checking the hole to make sure you could see through it. We also colored the camera hole black to reduce glare.
Lucy did that part, and she was very proud of it.
Mom also realized that the camera hole was a little large and that it would let cold air in. So she made a little camera scarf to fill in a few of those holes. She was so excited about her invention that I think she might have gone a little bit insane. But it fit on the camera pretty well, and it also fit comfortably within the hole.
Next, we had to bolt the camera to the capsule. We had to know where the bolt would be, so we had to know where the camera would be. So we drew a line where we decided the camera would end up. But it was pretty hard measuring where the hole for the bolt was. We managed, and the camera would hopefully not move around.
And that's it for part 1. In part 2, we'll cover the second floor of the capsule.
Wait, we have multiple floors? Is there an elevator too?
No. But the second floor is where Rainbow Dash sat.
Ah, the command chair.
Exactly. Let it go, let it go, let it rise into the sky. Let it go, let it go. Someday we'll see it fly. And here I stand, recording this podcast. Will the instruments work?
Oh, jeez.
The cold never bothered them anyway.